Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head showdown between two titans of the smartphone world, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro and the Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro. With jaw-dropping camera capabilities, lightning-fast processors, and stunning displays, these devices are vying for your attention. Which one truly stands out in terms of performance, photography, and overall user experience? Are you ready to discover which phone deserves a spot in your pocket? Let's find out. When it comes to photography, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro boasts a remarkable main camera setup featuring a 50MP wide lens with dual-pixel PDF and OIS, ensuring stunning clarity and detail in every shot. Its advanced features, including a periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, take your photography game to the next level. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro also features a 50MP main camera but excels in video, offering an impressive 8K recording capability that leaves the competition in the dust. This makes it a fantastic choice for content creators looking for high-resolution video quality. Which camera will capture your best moments? Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, delivering solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming alike. However, the Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro takes the crown with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, offering a significant performance boost that translates to an AnTuTu score of over 2.4 million. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience. If you crave speed and efficiency, the Poco F8 Pro is hard to beat. In performance benchmarks, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro scores around 1,015,000 on AnTuTu, which is impressive but pales in comparison to the Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro, whose AnTuTu score can reach up to 3,020,000. This staggering performance difference positions the Poco F8 Pro as a powerhouse for gaming and demanding applications. Are you ready to unleash the beast? The Nothing Phone 4a Pro features a stunning 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, providing fluid visuals and vibrant colors for an immersive viewing experience. In contrast, the Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro offers a slightly smaller 6.59-inch AMOLED display but shines with its peak brightness of 3500 nits and Dolby Vision support, ensuring that your content looks incredible even in bright sunlight. Which display will captivate your eyes? The Nothing Phone 4a Pro stands out with its on-device generative AI and unique glyph matrix animated notifications, adding a touch of innovation to your daily interactions. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro impresses with its ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor and dual stereo speakers powered by Bose, delivering an enhanced audio experience. Which additional feature will sway your decision? When it comes to battery life, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro packs a robust 5080 mAh battery, providing ample power for daily use. However, the Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro takes the lead with a massive 6210 mAh battery, ensuring you can go longer between charges, perfect for heavy users and gamers. Which phone will keep you powered throughout the day?